Welcome to the channel, guys. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, today I am on Hargreaves Avenue. So we are in Mandeville, Manchester, guys. So you know, on Hargreaves Avenue, that's where you have the hospital. Also you have a JPS there. So you know they're gonna make a little bit of change. So now we are on Main Street, Mandeville, guys. So when you drive in this area, guys, you need to look out. They're gonna make a little bit of change in this area, guys. Yeah, man, I'm gonna do some cutting out. So look out for this change, guys. So remember, we're on Main Street, Mandeville, guys. So right in this area, guys, they are doing some changes in this area, guys. And remember, Main Street is a one-way, guys. I'm gonna take you back up and show you what it's all about. Yeah, man, so now I make some adjustment. More time is like when you're having a truck and you're turning, you have to do many locks before you can turn on the one-way, guys. So look at it, guys. Man at work. This is beautiful Mandeville, guys. So I'm keeping you all up to date what's taking place in Jamaica. But today, guys, we are in Mandeville, Manchester, and Main Street. I guess it will be an easy flow of traffic on Main Street, guys, to take it to maybe to the Mandeville shopping center, guys. So guys, I will take you up into the Mandeville town area, guys.
Shaki's Electronic and Beauty Supply, where we sell phones, charger, earphones, and you know, so we also have phone cases for $500
Name brand men's shorts and the brand slippers will be on sale. Come and get your dress shirts for $1,500.
See a lot of soldiers and police in a Mandeville town here, so I go on like some big operation that take place in a Mandeville. Soldiers and police like crazy.